In this video I will show you step by step how to withdraw from Grabpoints, and then I will show you how it works. So make sure you watch this video until the end. What's up everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get your reward from Grabpoints account to your PayPal account and show you how it works. But before we do jump into the video guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the red button to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos every week about how to make money, online work from home opportunities and much more. Make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. But let's go through this cash out process. Once you've accumulated enough points, you go to the rewards store, and here you can then choose between the different gift cards. I prefer to be paid in PayPal. I basically click here, and as you can see here, the minimum threshold is 5,100, which is equivalent to $5. Then I will scroll down a little bit and click redeem. In this case I will redeem $5. Once I click here, it will ask you to connect it with your PayPal account. Then you will have to complete few steps, and you only need to do this once. Like fill in your PayPal email and password. Then click confirm. As you can see, congratulations, you will receive your reward within 48 business hours. Now I will show you an email that confirms that this money went into my actual PayPal account. So now I will go over how it works and what is Grabpoints. Grabpoints is a website where you get paid to answer surveys, watch videos, or complete offers, and it works worldwide. I will leave a link below where you get 500 points simply by signing up. Once you click on this link, it will redirect you in this page where you can choose to sign up using your email address, Facebook or Google. Now that you sign up using the link in the description, you will automatically earn 500 points balance. Make sure you to fill out the demographic information completely. This is very important as they use this info to match you up with surveys that are looking for people in your demographic. That you can see right there on the top right corner. I currently have 5,068 points, which is equivalent to $5. Let's take a more in-depth look at how the site works and how you can earn points. You do online activities on Grabpoints and you get points in return. Here's what you can earn for watching videos. You watch videos, and for each one you complete, you earn 7 points. Just find a channel you want and begin watching videos. The channels on offer to you will depend on your location. But generally, there's a wide range on offer covering everything from sports to entertainment. Completing paid surveys. Another way to earn points with Grabpoints is by taking online surveys. Once you've completed the survey, you earn points. You can even get points for partial completions and disqualifications. How to redeem points in Grabpoints. You can cash out your Grabpoints earnings when you have at least 5,100 points in your account. 5,100 points is worth $5. So just request a payout when your balance reaches 5,100 points. You can have your money sent to your PayPal account. Or you can get a gift card. There are gift cards available for a variety of brands and retailers, such as Amazon, Steam, Minecraft, Xbox, Google Play, Fortnite, Ambu, Nintendo eShop. You get your reward within 48 hours, which is great. By the way, if you are into Bitcoin, you can earn Bitcoin with Grabpoints. When you are ready to redeem your points, simply choose Bitcoin as your payment option. When you join Grabpoints, you get an invite link that you can send to friends and family. When someone you refer joins, you earn points. The amount of points you get depends on what country your referral lives in. You can get anywhere from 25 to 250 points. The person you refer to the site will get 500 points for using your invite code. Grabpoints is a legit site. It's incredibly well reviewed online. There are more than 600 Grabpoints reviews on Trustpilot where the site has a rating of great or 5 stars. People on the are praising this site. So I suggest you read them whenever you have time. Click the link below where you can join this site and get your 500 point as starter. If you want to earn a full-time income from home, I highly suggest checking out my #1 recommendation by clicking the link below. If there's something else you want to know or you have any questions about this website or would like to share your experience, please leave a comment in the comment section below. I love hearing from you all.